Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.